तेच भाशेन बाब युरी आलेमाव शेजारी जो आमचो हांव बाणावलेचो. It is give me immense pleasure तुमचो हिंगा जायतां म्हणटले कालवा विजया घेवन आसलो मरे म्हण तशें कांय ना तें. हांव एक गोंयकार, हांव गेट क्रॅश करून येयला. म्हाका इनो वायट देखून केलें ना, नो प्रॉब्लम. पूण हांव गेट क्रॅश करून येयला कित्याक म्हजे काळजांत गोंयकारां मोग आहा आनी हांव एक गोंयकार आनी जरूर हांव गोंयकारां पासो करपाक रेडी आहा कितें. This is of this word, म्हाका व्हडवीक सांगपाक गरज ना. काल गोवा फॉरवर्ड लिडर येवन गेलो. ही इज अ रिजनल पार्टी. आयज काँग्रेसा लिडर येयले, तुमगे हायकमांड नीव दिल्ली आहा हांव जाणा. पूण इट गिव्स मी इमेन्स प्लेजर. हांव व्हडल्यान उलयतां. Both the parties have made headquarters in my constituency. So it is a great achievement for me. दोगोय तुम्ही दोन्ही पार्टी एकठांय येयले आनी मुगे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी येयले म्हूण हांव तुमकां देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. मुगेले थोडे प्रस्न हाय विचारपाक जाताय, इफ यू डोंट माइंड. मुगेलो पयलो प्रस्न तुम्ही आज सांगेन ते भाशेन सगळे गोंयकारांक अलायन्स जाय आनी म्हाका दिसता दॅट इज द नीड ऑफ एन आवर. म्हाका सुद्दां सर एंटनी डिसिल्वा थोकोन कांसार जाला आसतो दिसायनी एक्टिविस्ट मागोन बट दी इलेक्शन एट द डोर स्टेप्स म्हाका दिसता सॉरी टू से काँग्रेस इज नॉट इवन मुवींग देयर इयर्स. दिस आय कॅन सेन्स. आय एम फॉलोइंग पॉलिटिक्स बिफोर युरी वॉज बोर्न. So I know a little bit of more politics. This is my first question.
What is the question?
I ask you the question.
Alliance.
All Goans want an alliance, except Congress party, the way it looks like. Are you ready for the alliance?
Welcome. Somebody welcome welcome. But it is Peter and Magdista Facebook are guided, but I didn't know guided. So whatever said and done, Gorato Puncha invitation Pipa Goros na. तुम गोराते हो. मोग वाले भी काटर होते हैं पर जो so that we cannot have politics or do politics with assumption and presumption. There is nothing black and white on paper. It says that Congress doesn't want an alliance. When MP election took place, we were the first. We were aware of Wenzin upon MP candidate to declare again. So we were the first party to tell Wenzin Baba, today you show us just to every base constituency to honor South Goa. You show us your vote share, and then definitely we will work for you. It is Anidala Zaitana Dista, so Congress is a current old party. Italy also, Zaitana Atamula Congress a question. It is never, and at least now for the last 4 years, the European Union stand as a leader of opposition. Then assembly you can go and check the records. Before every assembly session, Yuri has invited all the 7 opposition MLAs to come and put forth whatever the questions is and whatever decisions. We do not have assembly by ourselves, though we are the 3 members, single largest opposition party. So, like this, just see, it is like with this party that Congress is serious. But we cannot make or have politics. Since you are also a politician, you are also a councillor. Much more senior. So you cannot just put. Let us be very frank. There is nothing harsh. You cannot put point fingers to the party, Congress party, to say that this the monarchy we don't. Never you can make take any statement. You show us any statement that our party or our MLAs or any of our members have said that we don't want alliance. It is wrong. I just want to clear it. Thomas and Dista be very clear that we want alliance, but Even if any party wants to have an alliance, they should be clear. Also, you know, apna 10 city, 15 city, as per alliance hai na, we have to be practical. So definitely, whenever the elections are there, we are there. But till from now, we are for alliance, and definitely will be for alliance. Without alliance, we cannot win, because 67% of vote share is against the BJP. Thank you.
This is a question for Yuri. तुगे खेळून चोयलो काल रातो दीस पयले. On that, you said 2027 we will win 27 seats. On what algebraic and geometric formula you got that magic number? And what permutation and combination gave you that number?
See, there is a saying, politics is an art of the possible. So we need to be positive first. Number two, the way you look at the system currently, the way the BJP has basically made the system. Khas karun, if you look during the South Goa parliamentary election, acha वेळार the candidate was one of the richest candidates. But if you look at the vote share, no doubt we retained South. But आज we are roaming in all the 40 constituencies in the state of Goa. We are aware of, the Congress is aware that we have to take everyone along, and already we have started the talks. आता तुमकां दिसतलें की काँग्रेसामध्ये कितें चेंज जालें, कित्याक 27 जातले कित्याक म्हाका विश्वास आहा that first of all you could see during Ponda election, the Congress party was the first to declare its candidate. पयस सुवातेर लोकांन कॅन्डिडेट गोंयकार मत मातलेच, एक प्रथा आसताली 10 दीस आसतना 4 दीस आसतना टिकेट दिवपाची and whatever. We have made very clear that 3 to 4 months before the election, the candidates will be roaming house to house. They have to be given an opportunity, not at the last. Number two, within the BJP, under the pretext of Parivartan, I don't know whether you read their Sankalp Patra. Have you read their Sankalp Patra? Sankalp Patra kitne gele? What is their Sankalp Patra?
I did not read it. Not read it.
Okay. So Sankalp Patra is their manifesto that they told to the people of Goa in 2022. Out of which, if you read the first 3 points, itself they have not delivered. Number two, the way they are dividing people, it is high time that everyone understands. Let us not divide ourselves. I am not here to divide anyone based on politics. One very clear thing is Goemkarponn. Party मागीर गोंयकार वेगळे दिसतलो जाल्यार आमी आमचे मध्ये डिवायड करपाचें बंद करपाक जाय. आनी तें बंद करून एक पॉझिटिव्ह मेसेज घेवन लोकांक सगळ्यांक घेवन आमी आमकां विश्वास आहा कित्याक उत्तर गोंयांत इफ वी आर मच स्ट्रॉंगर देन साउथ. यू विल सी अ तालुका लायक तिसवाडी. You know there are how many constituencies in Tiswadi? How many constituencies are there in Tiswadi taluka? You want me to tell you the number? No?
Yeah, if you can.
Yeah.
Let me next question anyhow.
So we are winning Santangai, we are winning Kumbarjua, we are winning Santa Cruz, we are winning Taligaon. I will not comment on Penjim. This is one taluka which I have a commercial pilot background. On this of Ukna Bayan, I will do some sort of a study. We are working with a different way. We are young at heart. We want to change the system. We want all your hearts, because Goa today is bleeding. For my birthday in November, Grand Opposition Alliance was announced. You could see every practical opposition leader on that stage. Practically everyone. But BJP te nahle. At this bitor konan divide kelen kit kelen them. I can't possibly talk to you, but we can talk in private after this. We can sit down and I'll tell you in person. But strategically, we are placed very well. I'll give an instance. I made a statement that it will be 12-0 in Murmunga and Salset. I stand by it. With a united opposition. I also made that. Congress and the united opposition is very, very simple. 67% of the people feel that the BJP has done no good to Goa, including me and you, and it is for us to show to the people. Yes, defections happened, but we didn't defect. We stayed with the party. We fought for Goa. So people need to trust that system. We promised in our manifesto. Did you read the 2024 manifesto of the Indian National Congress about defection? It was promised that we would amend the anti-defection law. We didn't get a mandate. Today, defection is a curse, and the 10th schedule tells us very, very clearly that what is happening, primarily Goa has been a base for defection. That is the prime reason. पूर्ण ये डिफेक्शन आज प्रत्येक देशान सगळे स्टेटीन जाता. It is not only Congress. So this needs to change. Otherwise, we will have no election. They say one nation, one election. I fought for it recently. एक joint parliamentary committee चे member है गोयन. You must have seen it. They asked me, you belong to a national party. Why are you vouching for a regional party? I said, in a democracy, regionalism needs to be respected as much as national politics. So, Maka Khatri now Sangta, after this we'll sit down, I can tell you the seats in private, these are the seats. Maka Khatri asa, ki 27 जिंकतले. ये बीजेपी जे जवळ 400 पार म्हणले ते पोके फार. ते जाले ना, हे मुखार आमकोन दाखयतले. ही म्हाका विश्वास हा आनी तुमचेय विश्वास हा.
Excuse me, sorry to say, Salvador, we have to give chance for others. Every person has only one or two questions. Please, please, we are having. I know. Yeah, okay. Last question. Please.
This is good for
I
the
know,
people.
but last question. We have lots of people are waiting. Thank you.
Those questions combine with us. Shortcut करूया. How can you prove and guarantee us that there will be no mass defection this time? आणि तुम्ही मला सांगितले 27 नॉता म्हणतो 13 सीटर आहे. म्हाका दिसना ते प्रिपरेशन जालो अशें म्हण बट तूं म्हणटली आय हॅव डन द स्ट्रॅटेजी. I have to count on you.
We discussed that in, I'll tell you the seat.
Around एक सांगण्या बोलण्या की जाला you can take a donkey to the pond, but take a few pa hostor bayna. Party आम सगळ्या बर म्हणून आमकां पार्टीन तिकेट दिली, but जाण्याकल्या मोना कितें आहा ते कोणा खबर ना. कळना तुका आतां जाय पळय म्हणटा डिफेक्शन जालें 8 जाण आमदार गेले पयलीं 10 गेले पण 30 जाण आय तरी कोण उलय नाही. अरे गेले तिथे आम सगळे उलयताय बट आय तिथे कोण उलय नाही. वी आर देयर नो वी स्टूड बाय पार्टी इनपुट केल्ले पार्टीन एफिडेविट म्हणटा दॅट इज यू कीप असाइड बट लास्टाक कोणाकूय एक देव धर्म म्हूण आसता. पार्टीन आपणा बर चिंतिल्लो ना गोंयचे बर चिंतून आमकां लास्टाक देवळां वयले आमकां खुर्साबेर वयले आनी दर्गांक वयले कित्याक वयले लास्टाक चुकान म्हाका एक देव म्हूण आसता. समज हे मनीस देवाकूय भिना जाल्यार यू कॅनॉट ब्लेम द पार्टी न्हू. Defections you never know. So that is why we are saying we want Yuri Alemao 27 जावपाय म्हण. Once we cross that magical figure of 20, then only defections won't happen. And for that, it cannot be done by the party level or the MLAs. You all have to get together. People lock up. And we are not just saying it for our benefit. We are saying that for the goans, Goenkarponn also. So we can, I feel as a lay person, I feel that any party, not even now, party can we blame up Taranga one Chanda Utu Ulitao, to Uta Dislo Manavi, it goes Muti Manadi, Sarah Monte goes TNC, take it to Ulitare, Apanga Katola, Apanga, upon practice Romanti, Uto Disloli, but might be money is one factor, ED, CBI, income tax is one factor, lot of cases might be. So Congress has never done this all these years. So we are to be clear. No, आप जायते हम जाता पार्टी जायत को आता महाराष्ट्र जो है notification येते हैं और minor institution आहे church properties है. Tomorrow who is saying that it won't happen in Goa? So सिक्की जाता हम ते ऐसे को एक पड़ा हम हजोत में हम हरपी दाई में तसले हो सकता है. ये हॉस्पिटल हम हरपी को यहाँ हम सोडपा दे हम का मानसा Goenkarponn को लेकर जाता. Yes, party must have done mistakes. Party we according to the Nauro Mudisno. But definitely we are there. We are promising you all now that we will definitely be with goals. Thank you.
Thank you.
ask is genuine.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.